Today we're diving into the world of cashews. Have you ever wondered what happens if you include cashews in your daily diet? Well, you're in the right place because we'll be exploring the incredible benefits of eating cashews every day. Before we jump into the benefits, let's get to know a bit about cashews. Did you know that cashews come from the cashew tree? These kidney-shaped nuts are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can contribute to your overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the nutritional value of cashews. They are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health. Cashews also contain essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Now let's talk about the benefits of eating cashews daily. Number 1. Heart health. Cashews can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in cashews play a significant role in supporting cardiovascular health. Number 2. Weight management. Contrary to popular belief, including cashews in your diet can actually aid in weight management. The healthy fats and fiber content help keep you feeling full, reducing overall calorie intake. Number 3. Improved bone health. Cashews are a good source of magnesium and phosphorus, essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Number 4. Enhanced immunity. The zinc content in cashews can contribute to a stronger immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Number 5. Reproductive health. Cashews contain zinc, a crucial mineral for both male and female reproductive health. For men, zinc is essential for sperm production, and for women, it plays a role in the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. Now that we know the benefits, let's discuss some tasty ways to include cashews in your daily diet. Whether it's through snacks, salads, or incorporating them into your favorite dishes, there are countless ways to enjoy the goodness of cashews. As we wrap up today's video, it's essential to remember that while cashews offer numerous health benefits, moderation is key. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for joining us today on Health Hacks. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. See you in the next video.